Hey guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you to use your Android device as a compass. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, head on over to your Play Store, and then what you want to do is click on search and type in digital compass. Once that is done, that will bring up a whole list of results. So the best one I find that works the best is digital compass for Android. So the top one here with 1 million downloads. Another good one is also digital compass with 10 million downloads. So go ahead and click on either one of these. So for this demonstration, I want to do the digital compass, and then click on install and give that a few moments to download onto your device. And then once that is done, it'll be installed, and then you can go ahead and open it. So I'm going to pause this video. Well, that's done now. So go ahead and click on open. And there you go. You can use your Android mobile device as a compass. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.